Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And this is just going to be a short little video just to wish you all a very happy Christmas and all the best for the new year that's coming down the line. As you can see, the trails are nice and soaking. It basically rained yesterday and the day before, but I thought I'd just get out for a quick little ride just to wish you all my subscribers. You know, I'm sitting at 1,308 subscribers now. It's amazing. You know, it has been such a lot of great fun to actually learn the editing process and learn about the wheels and help people with information and share comments and feedback and help new riders get into this sport or hobby or basically way of commuting really. So today I am out on the S18 just for a quick little ride. I actually upgraded the firmware on this one. My board was sitting on 2.0.6 and it's now been upgraded to 2.0.9. So in the next video I will talk to you about what has changed and what I've felt that has changed. So far it doesn't look like a lot, but I'll give you some feedback on the next video. But guys, in this video again, I just want to thank you guys for firstly subscribing. Thank you secondly for liking the videos. It just helps grow the channel. I know it's very niche EUC riding, but yeah, I wanna really make a real push this year to actually get to 2,000 subscribers, because I just really enjoy it. It's just great to share, and the community, you know, the people giving me feedback and helping me out which pedals to buy, for instance, which side pads to look for. Tires for the wheels, you know, safety gear and so forth. It is just absolutely awesome. I love it. It's great stuff. And I must say, I've got a few plans for a few other wheels for 2022. So I'm really excited about that. I would really like to get a ride on a V12. That looks like an awesome wheel. I'm also very keen to maybe get an S20. That's still on the card, so I'm looking forward or hoping to get something like that sorted out in the new year. And then also to keep on bringing you guys ride videos and just sort of get more people to get excited about this and how they can use this and how they can really enjoy it, you know, with themselves and also with friends and family. Because man, let me tell you one thing, as soon as you get used to riding an electric unicycle, it's very hard to go back to anything else. You know, I've got a mountain bike that's sitting there in the shed that never gets used. This is just such a nice way to get out, even in this mushy, muddy conditions. The S18 is a perfect wheel for it. You know, the mudguard keeps me clear, and it's just the design of the wheel just keeps you really clean and whatever. And it's just good fun. You get out, get some fresh air, get a bit of exercise, get the heart rate up, and it's absolutely awesome. But guys, it's going to be a bit of riding in the beginning, this a bit of waffle, just to thank you guys, my motorbike subscribers as well. Thank you guys. It is super much appreciated. And there's many more videos to come. It's just going to be, I'm just excited, amped up to actually do a bit more work on this channel. And I haven't lost the drive. I think it's just getting better and better. So guys, thank you very much for joining, and I hope you and the family and the friends will have a great festive season and all the best for 2022. I know we're probably going back into lockdown, but hey man, who cares? As long as we can ride our unicycles and our motorbikes, I think we will be happy. So guys, thanks for joining, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers. this is super wet. Okay guys, thanks for joining me, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next ride. Cheers and have a good Christmas. Bye.